When I can say Linda. Instead of like Oreo, it's
Okay, here, show us about the path and everything so I can get it on videotape.
Okay, see, here's the path of the seniors and cars that he made. Not just me. Look at, we got these. Well, I didn't look. See, there's some here. We closed it because it was cold. Down.
Is there some all the way over
And
there?
our stockings. I didn't get no. See how hard I got. Close to our bundle of these. Let's go that way and look at the present. And then we got this. And then.
I'm done with her.
Cool.
Mom, look what I got.
I don't feel so bad because no one is really awake.
Me and Brittany got snow boots. I got a snow boot. Here from Dad.
Where's that girl?
Go down. Oh, jingle bells. Everybody got race cars.
Yeah. Talking, I mean, always move that over. Let's see, set it over here, over there. It's going to be over there. Then we can switch it back.
Set it right here.
Alright, this is Bronson. And Brittany. Ashley.
They're all.
Lindsay. Leopard. Buzzer! Woo! these. To Ashley.
This one? Where's the non-button? You got to ask them. See if they have seen the car.
To Ashley. To Dick.
I can't see the when they're gone.
To Ashley. Just
Yeah.
open it because we're taking it and we can't have.
Yeah, you need to hurry.
Oh.
Show it. It's a little caramel bill.
Stephanie.
Yeah.
Cool.
Then look. Say thank you wherever you are. Thanks, Steph. Wherever you are.
Okay. Steph, Lindsay.
Okay. This is Brit from I don't know who, but Brit, hurry, man. Brit. Oh man.
Childproof.
Weird. Whoa, that's nice.
How cute.
Whoa,
Cool.
way nice. Okay, go, Brit.
Why don't you put all your stuff, like, when you're done, just put it over there and, like, throw it over there in the corner.
I'm gonna open Grandma's.
It's from Grandma Schmidt.
Okay, Brit. Oh, we should all open ours at Hey guys, it says Timex on it. Sorry.
Oh.
See, mine's might have been fragile. Whoa!
Yeah. That's what you needed.
Yeah.
Hey, Ashley.
Not me myself really bad. Glad.
Put your stuff over in that corner. Right over there in the corner. Throw trash over there. Chris, leave so you can grab that one box.
What?
Let's see.
That is so cool.
Ooh, pretty.
Can I see?
That's neat, Ash.
I can't see it. That's okay.
You ripped her?
From someone. Nobody. Something.
Cool. True socks.
Oh, that's
Need some of
just
that.
read it. Okay, who's it now? Me?
I don't have to steal yours
It's me
anymore.
again.
Crystal.
Crystal.
What?
It's Crystal.
Go over.
Oh.
Gosh.
Pretty. Look at that.
Save the bowl
Wow.
if you want.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta take our bowl on
Ooh,
your
look
head.
at that.
Who's it from? Santa?
Cute.
I made them.
Ashley.
You did?
Ooh, Ashley made these. Look.
You did?
Wow.
Wow. Gosh.
I love that. My favorite coming up.
That is so pretty.
Are they potpourri?
Yeah, what? This big, my favorite one.
Is it this?
Ooh,
That one.
Wow.
I like that one.
so
Dad, what time is it?
pretty.
Yes, please.
That is so pretty. All right. Thank you, Ash. That was very creative.
Cool, Bronson.
That is so
That got
pretty.
given.
Keep putting your
Yep,
finger on.
it's good.
Hey, be
Like
careful.
This is from Lindsay and Brittany together.
You ripped in. Yeah, here I could too. Just poke at the sides and you'll get it open.
Kicking the old Oakrats in my head.
Wow.
The pop is so good.
That's cool.
Yeah, I got your
Well,
Coca-Cola.
where'd you get it? Who got that?
Me and Brittany.
Thank you.
Really?
At holiday.
That's so cool.
Pretty creative wrappers. Oops. Oh, sorry.
Okay, babe.
You did that.
Did you press it
Yeah.
again? Okay, okay.
love that song.
No.
I know.
Mhm.
Someone
Okay,
works
Buzz,
it down,
okay,
let's get
another
down
one.
Give us a Playboy.
Who brought some? I don't know who it's from.
Look at that there.
Oh, Big Santa.
Okay.
Brittany.
Oh.
How cool.
Cool, look.
Awesome.
Glow in the dark. Or ages 5 and up only. My turn.
Battery's not included.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
I don't know who this is from. Doesn't say. Every quiz is on the Woo! It's a key lock.
Awesome.
Right.
Ooh.
Cool.
Oh. Ah. Not cool. I'm opening Bronson's. Yeah, open it. Wait, they have to open it at the same time.
Oh.
Okay, open it.
Not the same thing.
Jeez, Bronson.
Making sure you didn't pee.
Perfume.
Just what you wanted.
Yeah. For women. I'm a girl though. No, I'm joking. Thank you, Bronson. Gotta smell it. You're welcome. Very good.
Whitney Houston.
Mine, Debbie, and Uncle Buddy. Yes!
What you get?
Limix PXC
Yeah!
that I wanted.
It's the last one.
Got all of them now.
Mm.
Go, Bronson. Oh, Mom. Sorry. Oh. Well, Mommy doesn't get that long.
That.
Two moms have
Us.
Lindsay and Brittany.
Yeah! Open it. You're welcome. Smell it.
Mmm, delicious. A candle.
Black
And its flavor is what?
Black
cherry. I love
And it even
candles.
matches the house.
It does. See, you're learning. Cool. Thank you.
Hey, go, Dad. Have Lindsay take it.
Hey.
It's kind of fun.
From Bronson.
You know how you like
Cool.
Coca-Cola?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Like,
No, nobody knows how he likes Coca-Cola.
and then it's
Cool.
little Coke. Pardon
Thank you.
Cool.
Lindsay! Oh, I forgot that.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Awesome.
What do you tell Grandma?
I don't know. Thanks. Schmidt. So it's my grandma. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay. Squirted out a
Now
lot.
it's Lindsay
From
Lynn.
Grandma Schmidt. I know it's twice, but I'll just see what kind. That might be the
I'll
same,
see.
but.
825.
It's 825. Here.
Shut up, Nick.
Ooh.
Let's see her.
Excellent.
Look at mine. Yours is round. Mine's square. I get to tell it apart now. Look at mine. I lost my card. Oh, mine's square. I didn't lose mine.
All right, Brittany.
Who's it from? It's to me from nobody. Open mine. Wow. I'm sorry. It didn't say anything. Oh, it's Jeffro. Thank you. I call after Mom. I'm good at this after practicing with Katie.
From
Oh, hot roast. Sorry.
From Bronson.
That's perfume. Thank you.
I'm cute. Can you keep that? I don't want to get that.
You're doing right here.
9:27.
Good, Vic.
Vic, you said it.
I mean, I'm joking. 8:27. Put it in hours, guys. Now because they still check it out and feel like
Good. Oh,
awesome. Live.
That's cool, Vic.
Cool.
Thanks.
Well, is it to mom or dad?
That's to dad. Sorry.
Open the white one underneath the table.
Alright.
That's yeah.
That's from Victor to mom.
He even wrapped it all right. Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You didn't? Hi, Crystal.
Hey,
Did you do it?
Been chilling.
Oh. Did you wrap it?
Chelsea helps you out.
Yep.
This is pretty cake. Ooh, a nice tissue paper. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty.
Oh, how pretty! Cassie. Wow! You could have got me that. I'm joking. How pretty! Oh my god!
Pretty.
That's so cute. You're a good picker for a boy. That is so cute.
Yeah, that is really pretty.
Wow. Let's get it on camera. Okay. On Cassie. Okay, turn it on. It is. Go, Dad. Nice present there. Ew, looking good. Wow. Can I do a close-up or anything?
Dad said you'd like
I
it.
like it.
Wow.
Okay.
You don't even need a boat. Just pause.
Oh,
You like it?
Can I break it?
You can put stuff in there. We thought you could put it in your collection. It's a little hitch, and so you can unhitch it too.
Cool.
Yeah. And that's not what I got you. You can stick cards in there. Yeah. If they fit. Show me. Look, from me.
Neat.
It's a big old close Okay. My turn. Okay. This is from, I don't know. Okay. Oh, wait. Jack! Oh, neat. Oh. Who's it from? Thank you, who's ever out there. No, I'm joking.
Cool.
Here you go. Oh, here again. Me again? Yeah. Gone by quick. Ah! Say book. Essay. Whoa! Is it a journal? It's a
Does
journal.
it say my diary?
Says Belinda Turley. That's what it says, and then it says from her home in the beautiful Ozark Mountains. I think it's a journal. So what it is?
Bronson,
Thank
I love
you.
you no more.
Yeah. Oh, no wonder why it was heavy.
Perfume.
Oh, Ash is gonna get a collection. Tried got the spray can. Oh, Mom.
Oh.
Oh, Vic.
Yeah.
Whoop. I don't think I got no phone.
Oh, that was supposed to be Ashley's.
Oh.
What?
Just joking.
Oh, she already has it. All right.
Boxers.
Wow.
Okay, Becky.
The cool knit kind, huh? Okay.
Oh, that's supposed to be for Ashley.
Yeah. To Mom from Bronson.
Yeah.
Are wrapping full this year, huh? Oh, that's so cute. cute.
See, Mom? There's another one somewhere. Can There's another one.
That's cute.
There's another one somewhere, but we don't have the magnets. Oh, how cute! Are they magnets?
Yeah,
Her dad,
they're
too.
cute.
Hang on. Go
Okay,
ahead.
here we go. This,
Your dad and mom.
Wow. To Dad from Mom. What is it? Wow. What's that?
They all go
She said,
over
"Beauty."
before.
hey, thank you.
What is it?
It's a tape of Kenny Loggins.
That's the one with the
cool.
Winnie the Pooh.
I
like it.
Wow. Ah! A balloon in it! It's not the same, is it? He's got a little Jeep trailer. A little hitch in the trailer, and you can put stuff in the trailer. And then it's got a little gas station. So fuel for my usual. It's got a little gas station. Come on, show it on camera.
Cool.
That's up.
Awesome, Bobby.
Let me
Hey,
take that
Lindsay.
Eaters broke the doors.
from Brittany.
I know.
Go ahead. It was on yesterday. Oh, you're gonna love this, I hope. Go. Jeez, man. Open it, quick. Rip it open. Gosh. Here we go again. One more layer. Okay, so it's not as big as it looks. Nice. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Yes. Thank
Show it on
you.
camera.
Wow.
Pretty, look pretty.
Oh, Brittany. This is from Victor to me and Lindsay. Okay, Lynn? Okay. So rip it. Dr. Doolittle! Yeah!
I lied.
I had to keep it a secret, friend. Wow.
You wanted
I
that.
knew it was a movie. Funny,
Hey.
Dad liked it.
Asked me for this Dr.
From
Doolittle about
Victor.
8 times.
We got Dr. Doolittle. Cool. They do. Really like that.
That's
From Vic.
Okay.
thank you, Victor.
You're
That's
welcome.
what she loves. The love Schmidt Bath girl.
Can I
There
still
you
get
go,
you
Brett.
raspberry
Brittany.
lotion?
She's a lotion girl.
Go look in my room. There's like 10 with it. Roll with it.
It's from Bronson.
I get a video
From
of that.
Bronson to Victor.
Bronson to
Brittany.
But,
What's up?
yeah, the tape in my...
Holy
Yeah,
man.
Yeah. Wow.
You
Cola.
got me some of the good smelling stuff.
Wow.
Dad, you jealous?
You know, Brittany can still smell perfume.
Okay, to me from your dad.
Actually, all of them are to you from Dad. I'm joking. Hey, Santa Claus didn't eat my jelly beans.
A new fragrance.
I
See what it smells.
What is it?
He asked
Nude.
He asked all of us how it smelled. Nude? I thought you said new. Nude.
That smells
He asked
good.
all of us
Naked.
how it spelled. Yes.
As in half dressed?
Oh, yeah, my whole face smells very good. Wow, that smells
I know, Bronson was like, it's not squirting and everything. I go, it's all.
That's just a bottle of it, but
I was making my eyes water.
it's Christmas, believe me. I know. There's no.
Cool.
Ooh, a little new razor blade. Woo!
Yahoo.
Wow. Who's that from?
That's the kind of
Oh, God, he's done it to me. It just like tickles. It goes two brothers from the. When I was young, I had no hair.
Hey, Bronson,
Oh,
you'd be
he
surprised.
didn't like it. Yeah, small soldiers. And Gabby said that was a good movie.
Really?
Okay.
Oh, no, all I know is I had to show the thing in my
Me
jacket
from
right after I
Bronson.
bought it so he wouldn't see it.
From Bronson.
Here.
Okay.
Lindsay Lou from who?
Bronson. this.
Open a big one, Brittany.
Okay. Thank you. That one.
Let's see, what'd you get?
Perfume.
What's the small one?
Okay.
What's
Brittany.
it smell like, Lynn?
Other hand. Other hand.
Oh! Everyone nice on me.
Oh, eyes on her. That's good.
Nice
What
on
does it
me,
smell
guys.
Full of sport for women.
Operation. Hey! Woo! That's what Mark goes.
This is
Guilty.
to all the Schmidt kids.
Milton Bradley. You're gonna open one. Is she gonna open one of her own too? Typing instructor. Yeah, Robin.
Whoa.
Hey, I was good at that. A's, B's, C's.
You were.
I can type my name. It's B-R-I-T-T-A-N-Y.
Yeah, so everyone.
It's from
Oh,
Right
Stephanie.
there. Got this one.
Christmas is a gift of love, warmth, caring, a time of wonder, and a time of sharing. That wonderful season.
Oh, it's gift certificate. It's a $5
I get
gift.
some
certificate.
sandwiches,
Uh-huh.
Blue Cross Junior.
Cool. This is what you love, huh?
This is good. Yeah, he
Yay.
does. He's about there every day, so
That saves you from having to worry.
Little $1 gift.
Hey, Becky.
Yes, for women, here.
Becky.
Okay.
That's not good, huh? He's all like, yay.
Oh.
Everyone likes our mom.
I found me. I found me. Oh,
That's Dad.
Here.
He
Oh,
has to open one of the big ones.
this is Dad.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
This is I think. Dad said so anyway.
Thank you. Buddy got it.
Throw your trash over.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
Ski gloves.
Eagle.
Cool, because I don't have any gloves.
Practice means that you have to go dancing.
Yeah, that'll be exciting. Thank you.
Your mom.
Joe, mine.
Cookie boxers.
So, Mom. Woo! Woo! Christmas socks.
Good for 2 Sundays now, at a time.
Uh-huh.
Lovely.
You don't even have to outrun Victor now, huh?
Shake it one more time. Shake it one more time. Cool. It's a yo-yo. Wow.
Sonic something.
That's pretty amusing.
Thank you.
Lindsay.
Lindsay.
Sorry. The yo-yo. This is to me from, again, Sam. No, it's
Santa jewelry.
okay. Oh. Wow. Okay. Wow, I got a yo-yo too. To light up.
Pull that little thing up there. A radio.
Woo! Where's that from? What is it? Oh. Thank you.
Okay, Victor.
Oh, Lindsay. Thank you.
From Santa.
Wow.
Dark words.
Yeah. What is it? Wow.
Electronic.
Fancy.
Cool.
Electronic. Wow. Electronic. What does that mean?
That means it's electric.
Okay.
Oh, my.
Hey.
I didn't know the difference between ordinary.
See, Mom, nothing on the table that blue ones.
This. That's for me.
Yeah.
You got her pinky? That's her, like, her and Mom.
What is
That's
CD player. My first ever.
Better than the one in your car.
Thanks.
Wow. Okay, my turn.
Maybe from your mom.
Gotcha. Go.
Cool.
What is it?
It's a briefcase.
I'm a natural on this camera. Wow, isn't that a beauty? Dad's so cute.
And it's full of stuff too.
Reggie's. Wow, look at that. It's full of stuff. Each other. Wow. Woohoo! Wow, Dad's rocking and rolling now.
The stickers, some pens, and a pencil sharpener.
Ooh, good
You're
stuff,
upset for
Mom.
And a great big pad.
Wow.
Is that everything? That's pretty heavy still.
Woo! One more look.
Yep.
Oh.
Can you make
Two rounds of when I get back. This is take this one. Whoa! I got a lot.
Wow.
Oh, this is like combination. Combination.
Combination lock.
combination?
Top right.
Indeed.
Oh, I got a key one. Oh, okay. Here we go. From me to. I guess Santa. Wait, never mind. Not from to you from. Whoa! Wow!
Cute.
She's a little mermaid now. I'm joking. It looks cool.
so
That's so pretty. Wow.
Hey, that's
I can
for
stick
your
my
lunches.
stuff in it.
I think.
Okay.
Isn't
Yeah,
it
that
for
is
your
for
lunches?
My turn. Okay, this is to me from Lindsay. Woo! That is so cool. Magic World secret inside. No, read at the bottom. What? Obedient ball. The obedient ball? Stops and drops at your command. Oh, my command.
Stop. Stop.
Drop.
Do it. Stop. Jump ball. Drop. No, I'm joking.
A ring.
Wow, who's that from? Woo! Wow, who's that from? Who's it from? Hope it would be Brittany got you. Stop! Oh, I got it.
Does that fit?
From Lindsay and Brittany.
And the twins.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, like wrapped it in 20 billion things of news and wrapping paper. Oh, I got a
Look at
mug
the
to go
cup.
along with.
See? Look at the cup. And he got his little cup and a drink to go with it. I got that.
That is so
We
cool.
tried finding you a cup with the car on it, but it
Hey,
only showed
Becky.
like that much of a car. So
That
we
is
decided to
so
give you a
cool.
glossy one.
This is
Isn't that cool? From Stephanie.
from Stephanie.
Oh,
I know.
You see.
she got our mom. To Dad.
Oh,
to Dad's
how
grandma.
sweet.
You can put mine. Will the yeah. They're so soft.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Yeah, she's gonna get you pink ones, but we thought you were that one blue one more, so
Okay.
I helped.
Pretty thick.
Hey,
I'm ready.
this is to me from your mom. Cool. This goes out in my and organize things.
Woo! Yeah! What do you say, Dad?
Mom's telling you something.
Say thank you.
At least she didn't get him no deodorant stuff to put all over the seat.
Look inside your thing. Magnifying glass.
Wow.
Sorry, little ant.
What do you do with those, Bronson?
Kill ants. Family a couple of times is fun.
You know it's illegal to like burn leaves in the state of Utah?
Yeah. I don't know that.
Remember that time we caught that one on fire because we were playing around at Grandpa's house? We all stamped it on it because we didn't want Grandma to come out
Hey.
and freak out.
To me. Yeah. Oh, I'm next.
You're good, bud.
The journal.
Do that. Do the red and white.
Okay, Brittany.
All eyes on Brittany. All eyes on Brittany.
Thank you, Mom.
Attention camera stoppers.
Oh, I got little Jack.
What is it?
Jack.
Oh.
I think that's what they're called. Yeah, Jack. Thank you. Oh, that's in Santa Claus. Oh,
Wow.
wow. What is it? The 3D castle. Whoa. Wow. I like them. Wow. Wow. Gosh. Pictures.
Box.
Beautiful! Wow! That's so beautiful, Rick. There. What these bells can do. What is that? Oh, for his car! Oh! Wow! Matches even.
Cool.
I had some, but they kind of got like holes in one and stuff.
Thank you.
Ooh, look how cute they are. They match the other one.
Oh, I see. How cute. Again. The finale. Now the close up.
Boxers!
It's a shirt. Wow! That's gonna look good on him.
Uh-huh.
And those are the pants that he's got on.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Drop this turn.
Batteries like.
Two browns and some stamps. Wow! Over here,
Are you sure?
let me see.
Better open it.
Yes, they
Yeah, I've never seen those before.
are. Wow! I can't.
Okay, Lindsay.
Okay, from Ashley.
There you go.
Brittany, get.
Thank you. This has to
Awesome, baby.
Checkers.
Let me see. Thank you.
Okay,
Let
Brittany.
me see.
Go for it.
Ah. Oh, I got a t-shirt. Are they pajamas?
This is for Lindsay and Brittany.
Yeah.
Wow.
Got your
Teddy
little,
bear with my
got your little birthstone.
mom that I was thinking.
Your birthstone. She's a diamond.
It's from Stephanie.
Stephanie's got you another piece.
They're in love.
No. That's not to me, man. That would happen to be some poison.
Let's turn it over and see what's to then.
I think it's opposite. Two-step and I'll have to rewrap it.
Come here. Oh.
Oh my
I
god!
don't know, I got it.
He opened it over!
Okay, well, this is what I got Stephanie.
You gotta rewrap it.
I will.
Okay.
From Grandma and Grandpa.
That's hilarious.
Okay, well,
Oh, my
looks like I got Stephanie.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah,
What's my sandwich?
Hey,
Say that
Becky.
again, Bronson.
Yeah,
Becky.
baby.
Say it really loud.
Hey.
Oh, it's my turn. Huh.
That's why he's saying, hey, man.
I can
Mom, you gonna put on the slippers?
I am. It's just a sector. Okay.
Really good technique.
Oh, my goodness. I love it.
To Becky. Victor. You're loving kissable husband. What is it? Don't you just love it?
I do just love it.
What's
What is it?
The fountain.
Oh yeah! Fountain. Look at that.
It's a little people, it's a little rain. Oh, that.
Yay! Take it.
Hey, this is from Stephanie. Christmas is the gift of love, the warmth of caring, a time of wonder, a time of joy and sharing. That's some gift certificates.
From Carlos Jr.
Lunch
break, Dad.
Yep.
That's us asking if you like Carlos Jr. And you're like, yeah, I like that one sandwich.
Okay.
Go, Bronson.
Can you read that?
Yeah. Boxers! What are they? It's a basketball net. Alright!
Okay, Nancy.
To me from blank.
You're a big basketball.
Yes! Yes, who? Yeah! Yeah! I love that. Can you guess who? Do you have you don't know?
Grab the big
Oh,
person on the ground.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, go.
That's the one that I got.
Okay.
Go.
Where?
Just hurry.
He's so cool. Okay. This is to me from Ashley.
Yeah.
Whoa. What is it? Chinese checkers. I don't know how to play it. It's the star. I know how. Linda brings it. Can I see? I know how. Yeah. Let me see. Bring it here. Brittany, would you have one? I've seen other people play it and they go, okay, I just got your soldier or something, you know?
Oh, that would be
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, is this yours?
Rick.
Okay. I'm done. Oh, Victor.
Got one over there.
Thank you, Ashley.
There's no more under the table or nothing.
Puzzle.
One for you.
1,000. Ashley, huh?
Yes, Ashley, let's do that one.
Wow, cool.
Okay.
My turn.
Okay, now.
Yeah, let's Bronson go.
Bronson, go. This is 2 Bronsons.
Okay.
Yes, I got a letter in it. Woo! Okay, Lindsay, go.
Okay, Lindsay.
Down. You need to hurry. Lindsay, connector. Oh my gosh. From Blaine. It's just Santa Claus.
Can you move that bag off the table?
Where is it? Great man. She don't know. Drawing board. Woo! Oh, you're gonna draw stuff. See, look. Oh, cool.
Okay, Brittany.
Wow. Okay,
Go, Rich. Remember you have to
this is to me from Santa Claus. Oh,
What is it?
Little lunchbox. Oh, yeah. I'm a bad girl, it even says. Let me see if there's coal. No, I don't.
There you go.
Ooh, smells new.
Wow. Diary and
Woo!
and notes.
Woo! Very good. No pictures.
Okay, got this.
Wow. Hubcap. 40. Wow. 40 new hubcap. Wheel covers.
Cool.
Ready?
Cool.
Ready? Go.
Okay, Buzzer.
Wow. This is two girls and one guy.
Get ready, Lynn.
You ready then?
This
You ready,
is
Lynn?
placement.
Woo-hoo!
Yeah. Motorcycle. Wow. Kaylin, go. Then I go. Okay.
Okay, Brittany, you can go while Lindsay's putting that away. Go ahead, Brittany.
This is two.
Brittany.
Brittany.
To Brittany. Oh, there we go.
What happened to Lindsay?
She's putting that away, so we're
Sorry, I'm younger.
Move on, baby.
Okay, this is
to
tug of
Lindsay
war.
and Brittany.
Tug of words. Tug of words? Yeah. Yeah. Lindsay got.
Use it.
I'm gonna tug of words. This is like now. Jeez. Somebody
Okay,
like
we're going back to
taking-
Lindsay.
Okay, yeah.
Three.
Hi.
Pack it.
This
Go.
is
Okay.
both of us. Go, go, whoa.
To Lindsay and Brittany.
Wow. Sorry. Woo-hoo. Let me see. Whoa, yeah. Wow. One of those ones where you go and slam and stuff. Wow.
Electronic one.
Thank you. Awesome. Thanks. This is
All right,
This
Brittany.
one's Stephanie.
Nail design.
Here. Oh yeah, she got those little. They're like she can make flowers on.
Hey,
Okay, Buzz.
Oh, woo! My turn.
John Snow from when I got you.
Is it a picture? Oh yeah. Ready?
Cool.
well, we're gonna be like basketball
Yeah.
playing fools.
Look at that. Wow.
That was
It's
for
a room. Wow.
Ready?
Tell Ashley
Get
thanks,
ready,
Buzz.
Lynn. Thanks, Ash. This is to me. Jump rope.
All right.
Oh, cool. Oh, okay, me. To me from Santa Claus. Oh, little stand. Jewelry. Do you make? Oh, Lynn, you can make little peace signs and everything. What? Out of sand? Yeah. Yeah, that's how you're
Stationery.
That's what you wanted. Let me see.
Hey, Victor.
Okay.
Two broken drums. Crystal.
Yeehaw!
Yeah! Woo! Got the little speakers and everything.
Awesome. You are styling, boy.
Okay. To
Hey,
me
Lindsay.
and Brittany.
Styling.
Cool. Oh, let me see. It's whoever top of the stick loses the game. Oh, sick. I know this. Yeah.
have that game.
Okay, Britt.
Okay, this is to me and Lindsay. If I can open it, it will be. A little kitten. January, February, calendar, yeah. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Hey, it's like that one.
Wow.
That guy's right away. Wow, I like him. Wow.
Sure.
Woo! Whoa, his eyes look like this.
Okay.
Bronze
Okay.
shit. 2 bronze and some seconds. Wow. Yeah, I got.
Frosty can join Dad.
Wow.
That's gonna be fun.
Alright. You guys, we
Fishing
can have
pool.
time test.
Now you guys
This
can have
is-
a fishing buddy.
Got
Okay.
me and Brittany.
Cool. You enjoy?
Darn, open. Okay. Spin pot. Wow! We can make our own popsicle. Wow! Wow, remember I used to make those blue ones? Okay, this is to me from Santa Claus. Oh wait, that's... Well, to me from... Oh, I got a little drawing! Just like when... I can go.
Oh, gee, is this one too?
Cool.
See? I don't know, I guess.
Oh, gee,
Wow, more stationery.
Woo! You know, let's see it.
Okay.
Hey, Mother.
2 rounds of drum. Yeah. Wow! Eddie. Wow! Oh, is that a virtue? Double FM, and here we
No,
go.
that's like those head things Bronson used to have.
Let me see. Oh! We can make them to Ashley. Like walkie-talkies?
Yeah.
We can listen to you on the phone. You go upstairs and we get ready.
Thank you, Ross, and there goes our secret.
Then we can hear you perfect.
Like my brother.
I'm gonna have to borrow those.
Yeah, we're gonna have to borrow those.
Okay. I want to talk about anything personal. Go, Lindsay. This is the wow. That's my last. Okay, wait a sec. Okay, mark.
It's it.
Go!
Unravel.
Oh yeah! What is a stand. Wow! Stand for the keyboard.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I don't know. Yes. Keyboard stand. Yeah.
Sure? Should I just stick something in there?
I'll look.
I'm done.
God! Weakling!
Here, we can watch you eat.
That you're on the camera. Okay, Dad, Bronson's person.
You like being on the camera now with that new hairdo.
Drink in crystal cake.
How many pieces
I
is
this
that?
is 2 Bronson from Ow.
What is it?
Yeah.
You want to show hockey
Look.
game.
Oh, wow.
I got first dibs against Bronson.
Okay, but yeah. Me now.
Here.
Never seen that.
Are you done?
Becky,
I
you're
need
right.
one more.
Oh, sorry. Oh. What?
One more to me.
Oh,
So
okay,
cool.
Brittany.
This. Oh, that's mine too. Can I use it?
Please. Only some.
Wow. A bike cloth.
There we go.
All 3 of us have bike cloths.
Okay.
We must have been good, huh? Okay.
You must have been really good.
Stockings. I don't think that's mine.
Oh, well, it's probably Lindsay's now.
Sorry. How come is that working?
Yeah.
Work!
What happened to my stud?
You have to yo-yo.
Yeah, you have to
Oh.
hit that. It's not that loud.
Is that it? That's it.
No, ours is
Here, let's see it.
light up. Oh. I thought ours was playing it.
This is
Hey,
for
look,
Dad.
you might need
Yeah.
some. Okay. Wait, no. There's no practice needed. Woo!
Cool.
Oh, read the message.
don't know why,
Cream
but somehow I
soda.
just thought you'd want that.
What is it?
Cream soda.
Good cream soda. Oh.
Oh god. Stop. Stop. Okay.
How do you play it? What is it?
Okay. Come here. Stop. 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 John. John. Okay. Stop. Here, go like this. Try it. Okay. Drop. Stop. Oh, whoops.
So what?
Uh-oh. Here, wait. Hold on.
Thing of the game.
Okay.
It's not a game.
It's not a game, it's a magic trick.
Okay, hold on. Drop. Stop. I can't do it. Hold on. Drop. Stop. Bronson, you'll figure it out. If you do, go.
For Lindsay and Brittany.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, we want to hold it. Oh, how cute! Oh, let me see. Is this a little version? Oh, how cute! Wow! You're so cute! Oh, sorry. So cute.
Let me hold it.
Oh my gosh! Gosh!
What are you guys gonna name it?
I don't know. Casper Jr. No. Oh, I don't know. What should we name it? Cutie Cutie. Name it Tubby. Wait, let me hold it. Don't take a tinkle on me. Tinkle, can I hold it?
I'm gonna worry about the tinkles.
Is it potty trained?
No.
Oh, here.
Baby.
Can I? Wait, let me hold it. No, let me see. I don't want Casper to fight him.
You want to fight Casper.
Here. Oh my God! All right, Casper, we love you.
See, I told you Casper'd be all nice without us.
Oh, I'm so happy. Wait, no, leave him. Let him walk around.
Sit on the couch.
Wow!
Brittany.
Wow!
Let's go sit on the couch by the new cat. What are we gonna call it?
I'm gonna see you play. No, just play. First of all, he needs friends.
Make sure that he doesn't get out, because he won't come back.
We call that one Yoda.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, he's purring. Where'd you get him?
Yoda.
Well, where'd he
Look.
get him?
I don't care if it's a girl. Yoda.
It's a girl? Uh-oh,
Don't let him go out. Don't let him get out the door.
Babe, it's a her. Her name's Liz.
Huh?
Look at her back.